Hey guys, good morning. Nitzan from MSDI Implants here. Today I want to talk about the importance of surgical kits, how to choose one and what to look for. So first of all, you need to understand regulation. Surgical kit must have CE certificate. If it doesn't have the certificate, then it's probably made in China, India, Pakistan and other countries. It's very important to have a kit that will not risk yourself and your patients. Second, the drills are very important for osseointegration. One of the most common reasons for failures is bad drills, worn out drills. So you need to choose your drills carefully and replace them often, okay? Especially those that you use most often, okay? Second thing to notice is the manufacture of the torque wrench. A good torque wrench should be made in Europe. For example, this one is made in Germany, right? They have the perfect quality. It lasts a very long time. And I have customers that uses our kits for 10 years and more with the same box, the same torque wrench. Obviously, they replace the drills. Sometimes they also replace the drivers, but the most important is the box, which is sterilized often, and the torque wrench, which lasts for a long time. Then I want to talk about the differences in the kits. In this kit, for example, we have normal drills, okay, and drivers and a torque wrench. This is the basic surgical kit, and it has everything you need to have in surgery. The second kit, the advanced kit, has more tools, more drivers for all the implants, ILF, TIL, and conics, and also DLC coated drills. What are DLC coated drills? Basically, as you can see, the black drills, this kind of drills last much longer time because they are coated in carbon. They are much stronger, they last longer, and you will need to replace them less often. Another thing to notice is the spade drill, very sharp, and also the step drills, which are much more easier to work with. That's it basically. These are the main differences between the kits. And when you look for the next kit, make sure you get it for free with a package of implants. Take care, guys. Have a good day.